Look at this. All kinds of caps, hats. What else? Oh, we have some incense, cell phone covers. Oh, look at this. So packed. So packed over here. Nice hats.
Les damos los lentes de contacto, las gorras, los beanies, todo baratito. Pásele, los sombreros, gran especial
This
de
is all
sombreros.
fake designer stuff. Love this place. This is so unique. Oh. Oh. Look at this. All kinds of shoes, food. It's very Mexican. T-shirts. This is a real alley. So it's not. I don't think it was wholesale. No, this is just regular kind of fake goods. Caps, hats, everything that you can imagine is available. Look at the sombreros. I'm not buying much, just checking out. Love these shoes. These shoes are so cool. This whole area is all fake stuff, but hey, interesting.
That's a large right there, I see. Oh, you want a large? Yeah.
Oh.
I want to get you a chip biryani.
The shirts are so cool. Gucci, you can think about. Oh, look at the shoes. These are so cool. This is what I think I want to wear for the Oscars tomorrow, because Oscars is tomorrow. Love the music over here too. All kinds of cool knives. Very cool caps. Oh, okay. A lot of these shops actually don't let you film inside for some reason. So I've been stopped at least twice today. So I'm gonna try to keep it to this area and not actually get inside the shops and film. Have no idea why that we cannot film inside, but there's big signs actually written that no filming. So one of the guys said that the reason for not filming is because he spends money to get his stuff, so no free movie, whatever that means. But it's interesting. So, but this is like, you know, like the entire world is here. All kinds of people. And this is, I keep on saying, this is what makes all these cities a great, you know, very great places to live, because of the mix of culture, mix of people. You know, LA is very, very influenced by the Mexican culture, and which is so fantastic in their food, in their music, and everywhere, and in the shops. So just beautiful. That's all I can say. This is just fantastic. This is highly entertaining over here. You know. This is such a cool store. It's like a Burning Man store. The shoes, the look at these shoes. Everything is like Burning Man. And there's this cool mannequin outside. This is the coolest dude. I love those glasses of his. Look at the car behind me. It's a beautiful white Rolls Royce in this fashion district. So you have everything, as I said. Fashionable people, expensive cars. So it's a mixed bag. I love that white Rolls Royce. And the dude was inside and he was like looking at me for filming. This gentleman is the best bartender. He's making fantastic micheladas right on the road, right on the street. And I'm gonna get one. Looks so
you don't
good.
want candy? What about yours, no?
He's an expert. All right, that's how he makes it. All right, that's how he does it. Dips it in that spicy salt. What's this?
This is tamarindo pulpa.
Oh, okay. And what's that?
Tahin.
Tahin? Okay. Some great watches over there too. Putting some crushed ice. Some more bitters, I think. Some salt. Some Tabasco. Some lime. More lime. 2 limes.
What kind of beer?
What beer do you have?
I have Modelo and Corona.
Sorry?
Modelo and Corona.
Modelo and Corona? You don't have Pacifico?
No more.
Okay, I'll get a Modelo. Modelo. Okay. Now comes the beer. Voila! Look at that michelada. Oh, 2 beers. And that entire thing is only $10. And then comes the main thing. This is a whole shebang.
Oh my god.
Oh.
My kid's favorite.
Wow. He's the best mixologist, Antonio. It's so good.
He has a bar in New York. You want to go?
Can you drink a little
Thank
bit?
you.
And I put it in
Yeah,
the-
sure.
You know what?
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
No, you have to drink the morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds. Yeah. Some more? You have to drink more. No?
Thank you.
No, one more. A little bit more. Spicy and so good.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Good to go, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is spicy. Really good. You can taste the salt. You can taste the beer. It's just excellent. I can't believe I'm in the streets of LA. This I've done in Mexico City and other countries, not in the US. Just standing in the middle of the road and getting it. I don't know how legal this is, but hey, it is what it is.